woke up. You didn't. Here. Watch, I'll show you. Ready? Yeah!
Look at that. Look at that.
Very hard to do in your dress.
Gotta get that leg over. Yeah.
Come on, Willie, you can do it.
What's the matter? Okay. Fine.
You did it today.
Are you gonna be crabby? Maybe he wants to lay on his back.
Yeah.
Do you want to lay on your back? Huh? Huh? You want to lay on your back, Willie? Talk to Grandma and Grandpa? Huh? What do you say, dude? Hey!
Willie's gonna be confused. He's gonna think Grandma and Grandpa are Shelly and I.
Yeah.
And Linda's not been here, and
Yeah.
Steve's not here.
We got so many grandmas and grandpas. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh. What are those hands doing in your face? Yeah. What are they doing in your
He
face?
likes to be lazy.
Oh my goodness sakes. Oh, oh, oh. What? Whoa. What? Yeah? Hi, Pumpkin. You keep looking at this camera like it's something special, but it's not. Oh, yeah. Can you talk? Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah? Now what? Yeah, hi, sweetie. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah. You like laying on your back. Yes, you can see us. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. Oh, you're just looking at the camera like you're a movie star. Oh, oh boy. That's yummy. Yeah. Num 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 num. Num num num. How many fingers are you gonna get in your mouth? Huh?
He wants to get all.
Like all 10? Yeah. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Okay, Grandma's gonna stop the film. You wanna say goodbye? Huh? Wanna say goodbye? Huh? Wanna say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Bye. Boo. Boo. Okay.